right, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So I just want us to go straight to the program that I promised you that I will do, which is bringing to you the comments of some of these people, Biafra United Republic. The reason is because it is very, very funny. Some of these people were attacking me, putting some unhealthy comments here on my channel when when all of them still believe that Ogenkere, when they believe that Ogenkere is the best way to go. Now they moved from Ogenkere, they're now coming back to a kind of expose themselves to say all manner of nonsensical things against whoever they think that, because it's not about me, it's about whatever they feel, it's about themselves and those that they're working for. So I saw this comment and I felt like, okay, I think it's good for you to see it, because we may learn something from their comment. We may pick one or two things, hopefully, that we are not going to regret it. So without wasting much of your time, I would like you to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Okay, because I will try my best to make sure that we manage the minutes. I don't want it to be too long. I hope that it's not going to be too long, to be honest with you. So I'm going to start with this one. Okay. Maximus, you said, Maximus Obonna, you said Kai TV, Biafra rejected Ngozi Orabeze. You can't continue force Ngozi Orabeze on Biafra because Ngozi Orabeze is a Nigerian agent. Kai TV, where is no-fly zone Samonegba build in Biafra land? This question goes to Ngozi Orabeze and Kai TV bastards saboteurs. So this is the first one, right? You can tell the mindset of the person talking. Now, the reason why I'm bringing it is not about this last part, Ngozi Orabeze and Kai TV bastards saboteurs and all that. I know frustration can lead to many things. If you are frustrated, I am not. Okay, I'm not frustrated like you. But the reason why I decided to bring it is this part where he talked about no-fly zone. No-fly zone. Now, no-fly zone. The question is, you keep on asking Biafrans, USB, what are you doing? Where is your man? Why is the Fulani people buying us? Then you turn around and begin to clap for Ogenkere. Yes, a Biafran army is with you, Ogenkere, not with you. Show us your army. You see the madness in these people. You are supporting Ogenkere, and you keep on mocking Biafrans for not have Biafran representing army on their side. Yes, you still turn around and question USB Biafrans for the insecurity and idleness of people who are supposed to protect, but you yourself, you still use your mouth and brag that, oh, you said Butuso is not with you. Butuso is not with you. Different Christian army don't know you. They don't know you. Then you turn around. Oh, they are killing our people. Oh, ask God what is God doing. That is why I said common sense is not really common. But so you keep on exposing yourself. Like I said, I'm not going to waste much time. Let us move to another one. But this message is for those who are sensible. I'm not actually doing it for you to change, because I know no matter what I say, your brain is no longer with you. The man who bear the name Biafra Unite, maybe you can see how he's uniting your brain also, because I don't see anything meaningful to what you guys are saying. But let's go there. This is another comment. This one I'm going to expand it more so that let me zoom it for me to read it properly. Now, this very guy here, okay, this one, even this guy you are seeing, this one called June 1980. This very guy, even there's a video where Isosha is reacting on the people that some group of people are torturing the person and the person is making some confession, and Isosha is tagging that crime that person committed and tagging that to CS. Then these people, that the way they did it using CapCut, they put my picture and Kenena in that video. Maybe one of these days I'm gonna bring it out. It is on this guy's platform. If he maybe he will delete it after this. Hopefully, I will download it before he will be able to delete it. But for you to know that this is class of people pretending to not analyze issue, whereas they are the main problem themselves. Now let's go to this screenshot on your screen. Now he said, I was going through comments on one platform and saw fools supporting Ngozo Fulani and Ogenkere, bashing on General Botozo, calling him an illiterate, that he cannot speak English. I laughed at them. But then, I think you also your grammar is somehow, I don't know. He said, but then I think it should be then that think they are educated. Okay, but then they think that they're educated, can't figure, but them they think, okay, I know what they're trying to say. That them they think that they're educated, I really did the way you put it to cannot figure out they are being scammed by Ngozi Olabeze or Labeze. And they think that can't be a problem. General Butozo is one of its kind. Countries like China, France, Russia, Israel, Japan, etc. are world power, and they don't speak English. They don't speak English. Speaking English does not make you wise. If General Butozo can stand Nigerian military that made General Musa to cry in the Senate, then General Butozo must be respected by Biafrans. Speaking English is not war wisdom or military tactics, or what again? Okay, or military tactics. Where is this message again? Just a moment. Okay. Or military tactics, then I think that's where the message ends. Now, the issue is just for you to understand that he's a supporter of Butozo, like everybody is a supporter of Butozo. I'm not against Butozo. Do you understand? I'm not against Butozo, but I'm against those deceiving Butozo. So let it be clear. Now, because now this thing are covering some of the message. Let me bring it back. Now I can see it. Okay, military tactics and the technical know-how in guerrilla warfare. It's not gonna get right. Okay. Now, my brother, though you are not even my brother, because we have been yapping nonsense for weeks now. This guy called you, and I think I need to get you out of my platform, because if this screenshot that I just read that now is not on my platform. I saw it in someone platform. He was there making this comment. He made similar comment also here on this platform. But I'm not gonna reveal to you where he made his comment. He himself knows, because he's gonna watch the video. He always watch our video here. Another person called King Oops says, for you know yourself. He said, Oga, you like lying and twisting facts to fit your narrative. Ngozi is the one always trying to attach herself to Butozo. From day one, we told you guys, Butozo has nothing to do with Ngozi, but you guys keep claiming he is working for you. There you go. Now, you see, like I told you, they keep on contradicting themselves. The other person, you see a comment, oh, you guys, what are you doing? Since you declared Biafra, what have you achieved? Musa is no more crying. Musa is not. So, since you know that they are not working with USB, why don't you go and inform those that they are working with that Musa is no more crying? But you keep on coming to USB. Musa is no more crying. Our land is bleeding. Truly, it is bleeding. Truly, Musa has stopped crying. Then the question is, how can you ignore those that are working with to question those that you know that they are not working with? Like I told you, there's a reason why I'm reacting on this comment, so that maybe some of you that are somehow trying to buy to that idea, your sense will come back to you, because they will turn around and tell you that USB government doesn't have anyone, nobody's working with them. Then they will now turn again and tell you that What are you doing? Ngozi Rabeze is not doing anything. Musa is no more crying. Musa is no more crying. The question is, why don't you ask those that are working that was making Musa to cry? What is going on? Why is Musa no more crying? Somebody claimed that he is now working with those that made Musa to stop to cry before. You should go to the person and say, since you started working with these people, Musa is no more crying. But they will turn around, they'll pretend and begin to question Biafrans for what I don't know. Anyway, like I said, I'm not gonna waste much time. Let's move to another thing. Then another comment is here. This one. Okoko, every time Ogenkere, tomorrow, why is such a all the money Halima 2 is collecting, how is our people at home feeling the impact? Why you are here ranting our land is being taken by terrorists. There you go again. Somebody is actually working with people that are keeping our land, that our land from those that want to invade it. You have people that was protecting everything, and somebody have taken over, raising funds every week to support them. So if there's any loophole or any flop, you should contact the people that are actually working, that is in charge. That is why I say it. Because USB made it clear that we are going to decentralize army, and we have to recruit our people to work with us and all that. And that is how it has been. Then you pretend that you want to change everything, you want to do it your own way. Now, the USB have their own tactics. Then the other group claim they want to maintain it the way it has been. And not only that, nothing, they will not allow other people to surface. Do you know that this issue of the buying people that went to recruitment and all that, I don't know what happened there. I've not gotten any intel or any information about it. But based on what's on social media, you guys are the one telling their friends that, look, people went for training and they couldn't come back and all that. Those that are reporting it you should ask them what happened. Do you understand? You should ask them what happened, just like the account. Because you said that you want to work with people, you want to pretend you want to be there. But these guys abandon their own to attack another Biafran that are doing something which they think that is best way to go. You think that this one is best way to go. The other group think that this is the best way to go. Then you abandon that thing that you think that is best way to go to focus, to analyze and disrupt the other people's on what they're doing. It simply means that you are not actually convinced and sure of what you say you are doing to be the right thing. Because that's why you focus your energy, your strength, your time to disrupt the one that they are doing. I don't know if I follow what I'm saying. So many of them need to understand that we are talking to human beings, not robots. From what this person is saying, that the USB is raising money, forget about the Halabatu or whatever they're talking about. That is actually another way to examine your stupidity, because you know that COS is not even a Fulani person. Anyway, that's a by the way. The issue of raising money and where the money is going shouldn't be your concern, because the other group are also raising money as well. So if you want to know what they're doing, you have to come closer to see it, because they told you that decentralized army and they're working from grassroots. Let me leave it there. So this is what they said, and in the public, based on what CS revealed in the day of question and answer, you can relate. Now move to another comment. The same guy Jew, 1980, said this. This one, he made this comment on my own platform. The other one was not on my platform, but like I said, I'm not going to reveal to you where he made that comment. But not the USB platform. He made that comment from Chatter Republic platform. I saw it there. Okay. Nobody sent it to me. I am the one that collected it. I was going through comments of the fools supporting Ngozi Rabeze. The same thing that he said there, he tweeted the other people's platform. He made it here on my platform, but he tweeted the language somehow. This one is quite shorter than the other one that is very lengthy. He said, fools supporting Ngozi Rabeze and Ogenkere, bashing on General Butoso, calling him illiterate. I did not see anybody call him illiterate on my platform. That's number one. But since you are the one saying it, I don't know. Maybe you are the one saying it. I did not see such comment on my platform, because he keep on flying from platform to platform. Maybe he or she saw it somewhere, because I don't know if this guy is a man or a woman. Okay, so we are not going to waste much time on that, because it's all repetition of the former screenshot his comment that we have seen before. So let's move to another comment. A young man B9Z said, why you lying? Why you lying for those who are seeing truth? I don't know why you are back in this, why you are backing this woman. So I am backing the woman is not your problem. Is it about gender? And you said that I'm lying. Please, next time, highlight that lie that you said that I lie. I would like to know so that I will change my way. Like start saying the truth to you. Okay? I don't, because I know you are crazy. I know you are stupid. But let me just not go all out on you, because I know that you somehow you have a record on me. Your comment tells it, because if not, how can you say that I'm lying without you mentioning that part where I lie? Now let's move to another thing. Another person said, Oko goes to mock infrastructure. You have started again. You said you are not for anything, just for your belly. I never tell you that I'm here for my belly. Okay? But being that you are foolish and stupid, of course, you have to yap nonsense. This is frustration that is going on, because I can see frustration in every word that comes from these people's mouths. He said again, why not comment on what Halima 2 is doing to protect our people, the survival whistle, the Halima 2 imported, where is it? Okokonan. They always, the reason why I'm trying to, why I pick this one is this. They always compare what is going on now with how it was when PM was here. And they said that there's no fly zone. Musa was crying, everything was intact and all that. Good. Now, you said that I should comment on what she's doing and all that. Again, when PM was here, PM focused on the issue at hand because he knows his template and he cares about his template. Number one. Number two, DOS was busy also trying to distract PM. PM did not allow them to distract him. He was highly focused to achieve what he think, what he know that is right thing to do. What can you do about it? Nothing. All your focus is on USB, USB. But USB just to distract them. But you did not focus on what you think that is right thing to do. He had PM focus on DOS, then he wouldn't have achieved what he achieved. Okay, that many of you are celebrating today. But since you know that you are doing it, why don't you focus on it and allow others to focus on what they're doing? Then at the end of the day, people will now say, okay, these guys are they're on the right track. Let me move. Moving from one group to another is allowed. Okay, but you guys keep yourself busy to analyze others in what they're doing, which they believe that is right to do. Since you said that the other one is right to do, why don't you focus on it instead of wasting your time to analyze what others are doing? Do you understand? But you don't do that. So ask yourself, why is it possible for PM to achieve what he achieved? Because he was focused on what he trusted his template. He worked on that without allowing DOS to distract him. Today, you actually distracted yourself because you're committing nuisance. The issue of protecting our land, COS is not like you guys that will come out and begin to say all this. So they say, oh, you are defending her. One of the reasons why I can never turn my eyes to believe what you guys are doing is this: you lie, a lot of lies, and I'm here to see that deadly lie from USB under Dr. Ngozi revelation. So that is me. Okay, she's not my friend. She never contact me. She never send anybody to contact me. You understand? And I'm not even expecting any contact from her. So this is not me begging for her to you understand? But you guys keep on saying, oh, she pay you. How can you be supporting this woman? I don't know. Am I the only one that you guys are saying this to? Or you guys are hell-bent to lure me to nonsensical things that you guys are doing? Now, let's move to another person that made a comment. This one is Veritas. So, these guys, they have different names. He said, let me read his message. Okay, he said, sir, your reasoning is shallow and biased towards defending Ngozi. If Ngozi cooperated with Butuzo, when he came back, trust, trust would have grown. That was how PM won actions. If Ngozi is not working with Butuzo, like you claim, why is she playing the old voice note to deceive Biafrans as though it was a recent message? Ngozi and Ogenkere by the morale of our men on the ground. Men, men are waiting to see any honest leader to work with. If anyone connects with men on ground, giving them honest support to work, I tell you, they will work and they will work and they will wax well. And not only by waxing well, searching difference, seeing the difference. They will work well and wax well. And I don't know what I think there's a mistake in your typing. He said they will work well and we will. Okay, because if that's X on that, we will see the difference. A lot of wrong alphabet in your word, though. Like MNA trusted and handed PM, handed power to DOS. Your power is a POW, that's all, to DOS, but they failed. So has PM's trust on Ngozi and Ogenkere and Ogenkere betrayed. Why is Ngozi not showing up on PM court case? Okay, she is no different from Oge. We need action, not talk. You actually point few words here, few things that I would like to address quickly. And sorry about that. And one is that you made it clear that PM did not went there to see, DPM did not go there to see PM. When you, I'm not here to give excuses on that. All right. Do I think the question is if I do I think that COS going there to see PM would have been nice? Yes. Then do I have any issue that she did not? No. Reason is because there's somebody that is working with the COS that is constantly with in contact with PM and PM lawyer, meaning that she don't need to go there to prove you to gain your support. Do you understand? Just like when PM was here, he did not go to Nigeria to meet Master Monokan because Monokan is Nigeria. I understand. So meeting PM or not meeting PM is not a yardstick to measure who actually is with PM. That's number one. Number two, you don't need to drag that now because USB government is not private business of COS. Uche, European rep, is with the USB and very close to PM even before PM was called for questioning. And he's still in contact with PM. We saw him in the court case last time. He was there representing. So I don't know why you think that is a more that she will travel to go. But if she finds her way to Finland, it is a nice thing. I'm not gonna lie, it's good. But you don't need, that is not a problem. Don't pin on that as if it's a problem. It's not a problem at all. Now, you said something again that PM handed over power to COS and Ogenkere. That is a lie. PM did not hand power to Ogenkere. Ogenkere is a finance minister. That's not handing over power to Ogenkere. Are we okay on that? Good. COS is naturally the next in line by way of the government structure and everything. So it's not something that don't lie that the Ogenkere is supposed to do that. That is a lie. And you questioning me, the way you put your comment simply means that you were one of the four back, now you are now in the Biafra United Republic. It is written all over your words. So what has changed, if I may ask you? When you were supporting Ogenkere, have you apologized that you got it wrong? The answer is no, you can't, because all of you are proud, you are arrogant, you think that it doesn't matter. It does matter. If you know you made mistake, why don't you apologize and say, look, I got it wrong? But you guys, out of your ego, you don't do that. Then the issue of what again did you say here? The one I can remember. Let me just pick it quickly. Then Ngozi is not working with a Butozo. Yeah, now the issue of Butozo within COS is not something that you know. I can guarantee you don't know that, and neither do I. But I think I know better than you do, and I'm not going to say much about it. So CS made it clear to you that she have called for meetings severally, and Butozo refused. Reason best known to him. Like I said, out of respect I have for them, I'm not gonna begin to analyze them the way you expect. So please let it just lie low. Let's move to another comment. This comment here, uh, Okojasko, or whatever his name may be, he said, Oga, this voice was the first voice he made before Ngozi tried to sabotage him with the Nigerian army. A student of Sonak Barawa and a student of recent lecturer who is Biafra disunite, lying with everything. That's why you see this kind of comment. That is why even if I want to listen to you, the more I read comment like this, the more you push me away from what you say you are doing. Then property, white Jeff, whatever. I said, shut up, there, shut up there, or sister, shut up there, or sister, Mage Kobe, I don't know what you mean by that. Shut up, or sister, Mage Koba. Area. I don't understand. Maybe I read it wrong. I don't know because he's trying to respond to this guy, the first person. Okay, this one is a reply to this one. This is Jerry Biafra replying to this one. That's why I said before in my video before that when I upload this video, focus on the first people that made comment here. Don't forget that the one down here could be a response to them that appear on the screenshot. So just take it that way. This person respond to him, and that is all I can say. That now the last but not the least is this one. Oga, you like lying and twisting facts. Okay, I think this is the one we have. Think we have seen this one again. I think I have right on this. Have I? Okay, let me go back. Let me just go. You handle it as if I have not. Ogenkere, people are all over social media now, but some of them are now running away from Ogenkere to Biafra Disunite. And most of this comment that I just read that for you, that I just read that for you now, is from Biafra Unite Republic in Kipazwa. Oh, Oga, you like lying and twisting facts to fit your narrative. Ngozi is the only is the one always trying to attach herself to Butozo from day one. Okay, this I think I've gone this one. So it's a kind of repetition of words, but you understand the gist, right? So these are few comments. There are other ones, but I think that there's no point to bring all of them. Let us just write on this one. So if you are one of those who have different, attack or different comment, trying to be relevant when you are not supposed to act relevant, because you have to know yourself before knowing other people. You ignore your problem and begin to look for problem elsewhere. That makes you, unserious human being. So my people, that is all I can give to you now. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. God bless you and see you again. Bye bye for now.